Welcome to MTX Norfolk location at 3579 North Military Highway. My name is Steve Long. Today I'd like to feature the Diamond C 208 24-foot tilt trailer. It comes standard with a Demco adjustable coupler. Safety chains are a cable that coils back up so they're not dragging the ground when you're not using them. Standard with a 7-way plug, 12,000-pound drop lead jack, spring loaded. It also features a toolbox that you can actually store your equipment on top of. Inside the toolbox, you have enough room to put a spare tire, any type of scraps, tie downs. Your battery is located inside because it does have a winch that is inside of the bed. It's a pop-up winch. So it's a hideaway winch, so it's great. You don't lose any type of storage on your deck. Look at the deck, you have 6 tie downs, 4 on the stationary deck and 2 on the tilting deck. This deck has a latch transition over the wheels. This deck will actually tilt once you put weight on the back end of it. Comes standard with a nice edge. So as the trailer hits the ground, it does not have a big lip, so you don't have to worry about a low sitting vehicle or any type of machinery climbing up on the vehicle. It is a gravity fed tilt, so if you notice, the trailer comes down slowly. Comes standard with 8,000-pound oil bath axles and J-rated tires, so you don't have to worry about overloading this trailer. It has a GVWR of 18,000 pounds with a payload capacity of 13,000 pounds. If you notice underneath the bottom of the deck, it is again, dampered, so when it comes down, it doesn't come slamming down, so you don't have to worry about the trailer coming slamming down as you cross over. Like I said, you have the winch that's in the deck. You also have a winch roller, so when the deck is up, your cables do not get caught on the deck. Spare tire mount on the side of this trailer, standard with LED lights. And again, when you come back to the front of the trailer, it's an I-beam engineered mainframe by Diamond C. Great value. Come down and see us at 3579 North Military Highway at Motion Trailer Works. And again, my name is Steve Long.